natural resources. What do trees give us? Paper, rubber, paints, clothes, juices, beauty, food, shade and shelter, medicines, etc. Our life depends on plants. Remember, plant trees. Take care of trees. Do not cut down trees. Animals. Animals are useful for milk, clothes, food, transport, medicines, and many other tasks. Name some more animals that help us. Remember, don't throw stones at animals. Don't destroy their shelters. Don't catch butterflies to play with them. Take care of animals. Plants and animals are living components of the natural resources. Now, let us study about the non-living natural resources. Water. Water is necessary for all living things to survive. We need water for drinking, cleaning, farming, producing energy, and running factories. We must use water without wasting it. What are the different uses of water? Remember, turn off the tap when the bucket is full. Do not throw away water. Do not let the tap flow when water is not needed. Repair a leaking tap immediately. Land. Land gives us support. It holds stores of water. Plants, animals, and human beings all live on land. Land gives us water, soil for farming, minerals, and shelter. Air. Living things need air to survive. Air is present all around us. We cannot see it. When it moves, we can feel it. Then we call it breeze or wind. What are the different uses of air? Air is necessary for burning, living, industry, sports, transport, and energy. Natural resources. Animal wealth. Like water, soil minerals, etc., animals are also an important natural resource. Animal wealth includes useful domestic animals like the cow, bullock, horse, goat, etc. We get milk from cows and buffaloes. We get both milk and food from goats. We get manure from animal dung. The bullock and horse are used to help with farm work. The number of animals a person owns tells us how big his dairy or farm is. Forests. You know that we get numerous useful things such as wood, medicines, gum, and lac from the forests. It is our duty to save forests from being destroyed. Trees are cut down mainly for wood. Hence, we must find alternative for wood. Nowadays, plastic is used instead of wood to make furniture and doors. Plants. In some regions, mangoes, cashew nuts, coconuts, areca nuts, oranges, pomegranates, bananas, papayas are grown on a large scale. The income of people living in such regions depends on these trees. These examples show that animals, forests, and plants are important natural resources. Now, let us learn more about other natural resources such as water, air, minerals, metals, fuels, and soils. Water. No living thing can live without water. Water is an extremely valuable resource. It is said that water is life. The proportion of potable water on the Earth's surface is very limited. Besides, day by day it is decreasing. There are times when a dry riverbed has to be dug up for a bowl full of water. That is why it is so important to save water. It is necessary to dig trenches on fields and mountain slopes to stop water and make it sink into the soil. It is also necessary to collect the water that drains off the roofs of buildings in underground tanks built for the purpose. Air. Living things can live on the earth only because of the envelope of air surrounding it. You know that oxygen from the air is necessary for their survival. The envelope of air also protects the living world from the harmful rays in sunlight. Minerals. Many useful substances are found under the Earth's surface. They are called minerals. Ores of metals, coal, rock, and mineral oil, all obtained from deep inside the earth, are examples of minerals. In which different ways are rocks and stone useful to us? There are deposits of salt too under the earth. This salt is called rock salt. Ores are refined to obtain metals like silver, copper, aluminium, zinc, tin, etc. Metals. Cooking utensils are made from metals like iron, copper, aluminium. Brass, which is also used to make kitchen utensils, is a mixture of copper and zinc. Stainless steel is a mixture of iron, carbon, nickel, and chromium. You are familiar with the use of vessels of stainless steel and brass. Metals are used on a large scale in industry too. All these metals are found in the form of ores deep inside the earth, as also on the earth's surface. You are familiar with metals like iron, aluminium, silver, gold, etc. Metals too are natural resources. Fuel. Various fuels are used for burning. Wood, charcoal, domestic gas, natural gas, petroleum, coal are some of the different types of fuel. Natural gas, kerosene, petrol are all fuels obtained from the mineral oil we get from deep inside the earth. Naphtha, asphalt, and other such useful substances are obtained as byproducts of the refining of mineral oil. Asphalt is used for surfacing roads, while naphtha is used in making fertilizers. Soil. Stone is used for building roads. Early man used stones as weapons. You must have seen the stones spread on the railway tracks under the rails. Stones and rocks are found on the earth's surface, in riverbeds, or in quarries. Soil is formed from rock. There are many uses of soil. Check if you remember them all. using our natural resources. New plants and animals are produced again and again through reproduction. Non-living things are not produced in this manner. Land, soil, stone, air, water, mineral cannot be produced quickly again and again. Hence, their stores are limited. That is why natural resources must be used carefully and not wasted. These days, because of the increase in the population, there is a great demand for all natural resources. Hence, we experience a scarcity of all kinds of resources, including wood, water, and soil. However, the supply of these materials falls short of the demand. Hence, it becomes our duty to use these resources economically.